Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. So it does come with two AA batteries that we need to install. So on the back side we're going to slide this open. Here are the mounting screws also. Now in order to install the batteries you do have to push these things down like this. So we're going to put the right side battery with the positive side up, and then we're going to reverse the other battery, positive side down. Now what you'll do is you'll mount this to the wall like this. No, like this. Yeah. So it's going to see how it's going to be mounted like this. So take this off and then mount this to the wall like this. I like that there's instructions here that tell you what to do if you're hearing the alarm. So you can just take this off and you've always got the instructions right there. Okay, so once it's up and operating, there's a green light here that's going to flash every so often. You'll get one flash right here every 60 seconds. That means everything is normal. Now we're going to test it. We're going to press the button and test it. That means, all right, let's press the button and test it again. Just press it and release. You get 4 quick beeps, pause, and then it's going to have 4 more quick beeps. All right, then it kind of chirps, and then it's back to, this is normal operation. That means that's a good test. So now, whenever this thing senses carbon monoxide, you're going to get those 4 quick beeps. And they do give us a little chart. It says carbon monoxide, 4 quick beeps with 5 seconds of silence. That's an alarm condition. You're supposed to get out of the house. A low battery is a quick beep every 60 seconds. Air means a quick beep every 30 seconds. If it's in constant alarm, that's another error. And then that's the test I did. End of life is 2 quick beeps every 30 seconds. So if you hear a chirp chirp, that means the end of life. That means after 10 years, it reaches its end of life. And again, the normal green flash every 60 seconds. It does come with these stickers that you can put up. You can put like the phone number, the emergency services phone number, or just 911 right there. Now here's the alarm response time. 70 parts per million. If you have a constant 70 parts per million for 60 to 240 minutes, it'll go off. 150 parts per million, 10 to 50 minutes, and 400, 4 to 5 minutes. And they talk about mounting them in your bedroom, in the hallway, and in the dining room. So you can hush the battery alarm. So if it does chirp at you to let you know that the battery's low, you can press the reset button and that'll silence the battery chirp for 12 hours, but then it will start chirping again. So if you're getting the low battery, a red flash and a quick chirp every 60 seconds, you can silence that for up to 12 hours by pressing that button one time. Let's go over size. So this is about 4.5 inches. Sticks out about 1.5 inches. And oops. And up down is about 3 3/4. Yeah. If you touch that, it's going to initiate a test. Now it's done. So yeah, very simple. Mount this to the wall, okay? And then when this is mounted to the wall, you simply are going to slide this on. And then if you're ever wondering, oh, what are those chirps? You can open it and it'll tell you. It basically says call 911 and immediately move to fresh air. But again, then it says the 10 years, and that's why they give you this sticker right here. So you should write the date or say replace the month and 10 years from the date that you put the batteries in. Now the batteries aren't going to last 10 years. You will have to replace those once in a while, but the whole unit will have to be disposed of. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.